inlet. This is my washi tape. It's completely flowers, and this is a beautiful floral bouquet, and this is my pussycat. Her name's Lily. And anyway, so I wanted to share with you a fun technique where you can create a decorative edge using a coordinating die.
As for the second stem set, it's painted flowers.
And there's my little Lily. Her name's Lila. And she's very shy, and you don't usually get to see her on film. She walks straight in the blue paint and then walks all over my table.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!